Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is December the 8th. We are out here in Gainesville, Georgia. This is the residence of Mrs. Cheryl. Miss Cheryl actually found me on Google. I came out 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. She paid to have me come out, my $125 in-home consultation. Actually went out this morning and also did another paid consultation in Snellville, a client that's actually going to have us do two houses. One they're moving in and one they're moving out. So anyway, guys, we're doing a small project here. It's almost like 420 something square feet. She said, Courtney, I had another company come out 2 years ago and they put they didn't know what they're doing, so they put the wrong finish on her floor. So we're basically screening that finish off so we can put a new finish on. Let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in Gainesville, Georgia. The sun is trying to come out. It's not too cold though, I will say that. So had all the furniture moved out. These are actually luxury vinyl plank floors. See some yellowing. She does have dogs, but you guys, you can see the finish that they put on this floor. And we're basically screening it off, and her floor should be a lot lighter. So if you look over here, see like right there, see that line? That's where her rug was. This is how her floor should look right here, okay? Because she had a rug down, but you can see how dark they are over here, okay? So we're gonna knock all this down, guys. Get these floors clean, put down a protection wear layer from Miss Cheryl, see like right here. So as you can see, it's not a big job at all. All right, so we're just gonna screen this down, get all this stuff knocked down, get the floors clean really good, put down the proper flooring protection. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Down in Gainesville, Georgia, client called and said my floors ain't right. Too much buildup on that LVP. Wrong products make it lose its shine. Truman pulled up steady, about to bring that magic back tonight. Clean, screen, recoat, now the whole house looking bright. R&B smooth with an Asian flow. Sits our strings and the jazz knows low. 80s hip-hop beat, keep it moving like whoa. When your floors need love, we the ones you call. Truman bring the shine, we don't miss at all. For Gainesville feeling new again. Truman got the touch, let the rhythm begin. Client says you tried everything, but the shine kept slipping away. We came in with the real technique, had that floor right in a day. Screen it down gentle, recoat that finish just right. Now the LVP look luxury again, glowing under.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look. Miss Cheryl is so happy with her floors. When I tell you guys, these floors look amazing. They look amazing. She actually said they look better than they did when she had to put them in. They do, Miss Cheryl?
Yes.
Thank you. No, that's my videos. Yes. You did watch some of the videos, right? Yep. All right, guys. So these floors look great. So,
Are you sure they're dry?
yeah, you're walking on them.
You have to tell me what to clean.
Yes, I want to show you what to use to clean them. All right, guys, so floors look great. She is very, very happy. And I want to just help her put some of the furniture back. And that's going to do it. All right. All right, guys. See you in the next one.